Welcome back to Next Gone Motors, your trusted place for deep luxury car reviews, super SUVs, and the world's most exclusive vehicles. If you love premium machines, elite design, and next-level comfort, you are in the right place. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to Next Gone Motors, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest luxury car content. Today we are exploring the Fire 2026 Bentley Bentayga in white, a luxury SUV that perfectly blends royal elegance, modern performance, and handcrafted excellence. The white color gives this Bentayga a pure, clean, and billionaire-class presence. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of power, success, and refined taste. The exterior design of the 2026 Bentley Bentayga in white looks absolutely breathtaking. The glossy white paint enhances every curve and detail of the body, making the SUV look larger, more elegant, and incredibly premium. The iconic Bentley Matrix grille with chrome accents stands proudly at the front, paired with crystal-cut LED headlamps that look like fine jewelry. From every angle, the Bentayga commands respect, whether it's parked outside a five-star hotel or cruising through city streets. The sculpted hood, sharp body lines, and massive alloy wheels give it a perfect balance of luxury and muscular presence. Step inside, and you immediately understand why Bentley sits at the top of the luxury world. The interior of the 2026 Bentayga is pure craftsmanship. Soft hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, polished metal finishes, and flawless detailing surround you. In the white exterior version, the interior often features light-toned leather, creating a calm, elegant, and spacious feel. Every surface you touch feels rich, smooth, and premium. This cabin is not built by machines alone, but by skilled artisans who treat each Bentley like a masterpiece. Comfort in the Bentayga is on another level. The seats are incredibly plush and supportive, offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Whether you are driving or sitting in the back, the experience feels like first-class travel. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, advanced climate control, and a quiet cabin that blocks out almost all outside noise. Long journeys feel effortless, relaxing, and luxurious. Technology in the 2026 Bentley Bentayga is modern yet refined. The infotainment system is fast, smooth, and beautifully integrated into the dashboard. A high-resolution touchscreen, digital driver display, premium navigation, and smartphone connectivity make driving easy and enjoyable. The sound system delivers concert-level audio quality, turning every drive into a private music lounge. Bentley focuses on technology that enhances comfort rather than overwhelming the driver. Under the hood, the Bentayga offers powerful engine options that match its luxury image. Whether it's the refined V8 or the legendary W12, performance is strong, smooth, and confident. Acceleration is effortless, and highway cruising feels calm and stable. Despite its size and weight, the Bentayga handles remarkably well, thanks to advanced suspension systems and intelligent all-wheel drive. It feels equally comfortable gliding through city roads or cruising at high speeds on open highways. One of the most impressive things about the 2026 Bentayga is how it balances luxury and performance. It doesn't shout speed, but when you press the accelerator, the power is instantly available. The ride quality is incredibly smooth, absorbing bumps and rough roads with ease. This makes the Bentayga perfect for both daily luxury driving and long-distance touring. The white color adds a unique personality to this SUV. It represents purity, sophistication, and elite status. In sunlight, the paint shines beautifully, highlighting Bentley's iconic design language. At night, under city lights, the white Bentayga looks bold, clean, and incredibly classy. It's a color choice often preferred by those who want silent luxury rather than loud attention. Safety and driver assistance features are also top tier. The Bentayga is equipped with advanced systems that help keep you secure without interfering with the driving experience. Everything works quietly in the background, giving confidence and peace of mind. In conclusion, the Fire 2026 Bentley Bentayga in white is not just an SUV, it is a luxury lifestyle on wheels. It offers unmatched comfort, breathtaking design, powerful performance, and handcrafted quality that very few vehicles in the world can match. This is the kind of car made for CEOs, royalty, and those who demand the absolute best. If you enjoyed this luxury review, don't forget to subscribe to Next Gone Motors, like the video, and share it with fellow car lovers. Stay connected with us for more exclusive reviews, luxury machines, and the future.